Getting to know templates. Generating consistent documents is a must for any busy law firm. That's why ProPlaintiff templates are a powerful tool for building demand letters, medical chronologies, and more. In this walkthrough, we'll cover everything you need to know: pre-built templates, building your own from scratch, template mirroring, and how to use them in your next drafting session. Finding templates. Open the navigation bar and select Templates from the main navigation menu. This is your template library. Every template you create or have access to lives here, organized by category so you can find the right one when generating a document. ProPlaintiff includes a library of professionally built templates covering a wide range of legal documents, from demand letters and medical chronologies to wrongful termination claims and complex legal analyses. If you want to create your own version of a ProPlaintiff template, click the three dots and select Duplicate. Let's build our first template. Start by selecting which kind of template you want to build. In this example, we'll start building a demand letter. Within the template builder, you'll find three panels. On the left is the navigation for the document letterhead, sections, signatures, styling, and properties. In the middle is the content editor, where you'll edit, add, and remove sections. And on the right is a live preview that updates in real time as you make changes. Starting with letterhead. Here you can define the header of your document, including your firm's branding, contact information, the recipient's address, and the subject line. The default blocks give you a standard layout to start from, but you can add or delete sections as needed. To add your firm's logo, click Add Block and select Image Block. Upload your logo file, and it will appear in both the editor and the live preview. Text blocks also support dynamic variables. Insert a variable like client name or case number using open and close brackets. This instructs TIFF, the built-in AI paralegal, to fill in those fields with case information every time a document is generated. Document sections are the most important part of your template. Each section you create becomes an instruction set that tells the AI what to write, how to structure it, and what details to include. The more detail you add here, the less editing you'll need to do to the final document. Click Add Section to create a new content block. Give it a title, then write an AI prompt in the field below. If you're not sure how to write a prompt, open Ask TIFF at the bottom and ask her to draft it for you. For complex topics, add subsections for greater control. The signature section defines how your document closes. Add your sign-off, attorney information, and any standard disclaimers your firm requires. The styling panel controls the visual formatting of your entire document. Typography sets your font family, body text size, line spacing, and paragraph spacing. Section titles controls how headings appear, including size, color, and alignment. Review your changes in the live preview, and when you're done, click Save or Update Template. Template mirroring. If your firm already has a preferred format for any legal document, template mirroring lets you skip the build entirely. Click Create Template and select Mirror Template. Upload the document from your computer and click Create Template. Stay on this screen while it runs. Navigating away will cancel the process. ProPlaintiff will analyze the document structure and generate a reusable template from it. ProPlaintiff pulls the document structure, headings, section layout, and formatting while removing all personal and case-specific information, leaving a clean, reusable framework. Give your template a name, assign it to a category, and click Save. The mirrored template is now fully editable. To share it with your team, click Permissions. Share with specific team members or toggle the Public Access button. Using templates to generate a document. With your templates built, generating a document is straightforward. Start a new conversation with TIFF and explain what you're working on. Type / to open the command menu. You'll see 3 options. Select the one that fits your needs. If you select Generate a Document, type the name of the template you want to use. ProPlaintiff matches it to your existing templates and begins drafting. The process should take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes of your request. That covers templates in ProPlaintiff. From pre-made starting points to custom builds to mirroring your existing documents, templates give your firm full control over every document you generate. Check out the rest of our tutorials to get the most out of ProPlaintiff. If you need any additional assistance, book a demo with us at ProPlaintiff.ai/contact.